Contrary to popular belief, cowgirls don't come with hats glued on. Even if we did, we rock some of the best hairstyles. Jokes aside, if you're looking to rock some iconic cowgirl hairstyles, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 5 must-try hairstyles that are just perfect. From practical styles for a day at the ranch to glamorous looks for a night out, we've got you covered. And we've got some celebrity inspo to help you nail each look. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you love cowgirl style tips, and ring that bell so you're always up to date with our latest videos. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 on our list today is the cowgirl staple, a braid. True and blue cowgirls would know that things can get greasy and difficult pretty quickly on the ranch. From my first-hand experience, I don't recommend going with elaborate curls or straightening if you plan on going down and dirty in the mud. For those days, braids are the ultimate lifesavers. Double Dutch braids keep your hair secure and clean while making you appear chic and comfortable. This hairstyle is a fantastic choice for a playful, sporty look, especially when paired with a trucker hat. This style keeps your hair securely in place, making it perfect for a day of outdoor activities or a casual outing. The braids also add a bit of texture and interest to your look. Part your hair down the middle to create 2 equal sections. Start a Dutch braid, which is a reverse French braid, on one side, braiding all the way down and securing with a hair tie. Repeat on the other side, ensuring both braids are even and tight. For a fuller look, gently pull at the edges of the braids to create a bit of volume. This look is perfect for a casual day out and pairs wonderfully with a trucker hat. It's playful and practical, and it keeps your hair neatly tucked away, making it great for any kind of activity, from running errands to attending a rodeo. Of course, it helps that this is certified cowgirl icon Bella Hadid's signature hairstyle. She has been seen in various braided pigtail hairstyles on more than one occasion. If you're not the best at styling your own hair and would rather go for a more practical, simple hairstyle, plain braids are your best option. They take only a minute or even less and look absolutely chic with cowboy attire. This is my go-to hairstyle for long days in the saddle and doing chores. It's simple, practical, and I can do it in my sleep. You may leave out a few strands for an effortlessly chic look, which also adds a feminine touch to a sturdy look. The best part about this hairstyle is that it works perfectly with larger hats. For a more feminine country vibe, feel free to pluck baby breath flowers and decorate your low braid for days when you're wearing a cute summer dress. The second iconic cowgirl hairstyle we'll touch on today is loose waves with a braid. For a night out on the town, try loose waves with braids. This style combines the best of both worlds: soft, romantic waves with small braided accents for added texture. It's perfect for a dressy occasion or when you want to add a bit of glam to your cowgirl look. Start with clean, dry hair and apply a heat protectant. Use a curling iron to create loose waves, curling sections away from your face. Once all sections are curled, braid 2 small sections from each side and secure them at the back with a bobby pin. Gently brush through the waves with your fingers to loosen them up, and finish with a texturizing spray for added volume. Some big names from the film industry has been seen carrying this look. Take Margot Robbie, for example. At the Cannes Film Festival, she was seen sporting loose waves with twin braided accents for a flirty, feminine look. This style is great for adding a bit of detail to your look while keeping your hair down and free-flowing. Loose waves with braids are perfect for a night out because they add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your look. The waves add volume and movement, while the braids provide a bit of texture and interest, making it a versatile style for any cowgirl. Thirdly, we have half up, half down with curls. The half up, half down hairstyle with curls is a timeless and versatile look that offers a perfect blend of elegance and practicality. It's a fantastic choice for a variety of occasions, from casual outings to formal events. This style is particularly popular for its ability to add volume and texture to your hair, making it appear fuller and more youthful. By keeping half of your hair up, you can avoid it falling into your face or getting tangled, making it a practical and comfortable choice. The half-up, half-down style can be customized to suit different face shapes, hair lengths, and personal preferences. Part your hair in the middle and take the top half of your hair, pulling it back and securing it with a clip or hair tie. Curl the remaining loose hair in sections using a curling iron or wand, creating soft, voluminous curls. For the half-up section, you can add a small braid or twist for added detail, securing it at the back with a decorative pin or elastic. Finish with a light hold hairspray to keep the curls in place and add a bit of shine. Lana Del Rey's new music is all about Western lifestyle. In her new music video with Quavo for the song Tough, she is seen in a super feminine and soft half-up and half-down hairdo. The cowgirl vibes in this MV are immaculate, and her style adds a touch of vintage charm to her look, making it perfect for any cowgirl who wants to channel a bit of old-school glamour. The half-up, half-down with curls is a great way to keep your hair looking stylish and voluminous while still being practical. It's perfect for a night out or a special occasion, adding a bit of drama and flair to your cowgirl look. Our fourth hairstyle today, and my personal favorite, is long and free. This style is a staple in cowgirl fashion because it's simple, effortless, and looks great with a cowboy hat. It works with any hair texture, straight, wavy, or curly, and requires minimal styling. The key is to let your hair fall naturally, embracing its natural movement. Begin with clean, dry hair. Use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner to add body. Apply a leave-in conditioner or smoothing serum to keep your hair frizz-free and manageable. Let your hair air dry or blow dry it with a round brush to add some lift at the roots. To enhance your natural texture, use a large barrel curling iron to add a few loose waves. Or, if you're like me and have naturally pin-straight hair, just shower and air dry for the easiest hairstyle of them all. Once you've achieved your desired texture, this effortless look is all about showcasing your natural beauty. It's a simple yet stunning style that pairs perfectly with a cowboy hat, giving off that relaxed, authentic cowgirl vibe. This style is my personal favorite under a cowboy hat for photos. Miranda Lambert is known for her long, flowing locks, often styled under a cowboy hat. She embraces a natural, no-fuss look that perfectly complements her cowgirl aesthetic. Whether on stage or out and about, her long and free hairstyle adds a touch of feminine flair to her outfit. This look is perfect under a cowboy hat because it's low maintenance and lets your natural beauty shine. It's ideal for a casual day on the ranch or a laid-back outing with friends. The hat adds a rugged edge, while the loose, flowing hair adds softness, creating a balanced look that's quintessentially cowgirl. Lastly, we have the classic low ponytail. This is another great option for wearing under a cowboy hat. You can't go wrong with this hairstyle. It is not only practical, but also adds a bit of sophistication to your look. It keeps your hair out of the way, making it ideal for barn chores or riding while still looking polished. Brush your hair back and gather it into a low ponytail at the nape of your neck. Secure the ponytail with a hair tie, then take a small section of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the base to conceal the hair tie. Secure the wrapped section with a bobby pin and smooth any flyaways with a light mist of hairspray. The low ponytail with a twist is perfect for days when you need a functional hairstyle that also looks chic. It works well under a cowboy hat because it keeps your hair securely in place, preventing it from getting tangled or messy. Plus, it adds a touch of sophistication to any cowgirl outfit. And there you have it, y'all! 5 cowgirl hairstyles perfect for every occasion. Whether you're looking for something practical or a show-stopping look, these styles are sure to keep you looking fabulous. Try them out and let us know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cowgirl fashion tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see y'all next time.